there's a fucking state trooper right ahead of me, so that's why I'm riding like baby Jesus. I'm riding a motorcycle like baby Jesus used to fucking do his homework, so his dad doesn't get mad. That's basically. Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you. There's another vloggy vlog in the making, you see, and it's happening right now as we go wrong way on this one-way street, just for this little tiny section, because I'm not trying to spin about like a top. Oh, it's a beautiful feeling. I put in a full day's work today. For the love of so yeah, okay. Oh, what the fuck, holy shit, pothole. That was a backfire. My bike backfires once in a while now. It's great. I really like it. But what was I gonna say? I was gonna tell you guys something really cool. Oh right, one thing, now that I have these amazing heated gloves, it's fucking warm. It's like 50 degrees. It's like 45. It's not even cold right now. What a goddamn waste. Makes me really sad, because I was trying to freaking crank up the heat. So right now I'm actually gonna wear these gloves. I'm not even gonna fucking turn on the heat. Like, I don't give a shit, you know? So, okay, let me calm down. So, today's mission for the whole day was to be polite, kind, sweet, attentive, positive. Sorry, didn't mean to like cut you off there, lady. It's all good. So, did I accomplish that goal so far? I would say on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being like most polite and most positive, I would say I'm like a strong 7 out of 10, 8. There's obviously room for improvement. I did get a little cranky at one point for like a second, but then I recovered nicely. Ooh. There we go. Okay, well, that sucked. So much for a fucking vloggy vlog, broskies. Look at this fucking shit. Sons of bitches. We're gonna go like this. It's okay. This guy's partying up in that bitch. Oh man, I had such a productive day today, and tomorrow I have to fucking be even more productive. And on Thursday it's even more productive. It's like ramping up to Christmas. But it's kind of nice that I don't even need the heat on the gloves. Sweet potatoes of Parsimon County. What are you doing, you son of a breakfast burrito? State trooper. Definitely not gonna pass a state trooper. It's 100% not that serious. Ladies and gents, sorry, that was a lane splitting bonanza. You didn't have to see any of that. Not that good. But yeah, there's a fucking state trooper right ahead of me, so that's why I'm riding like baby Jesus. I'm riding a motorcycle like baby Jesus used to fucking do his homework, so his dad doesn't get mad. That's basically what I'm doing. Where the fuck are they? Yeah, they're like 3 cars up right over there. Fucking Ford Explorers, state troopers. Losers. Get off the goddamn road, you sons of bitches. But it's okay. This is what people do all the time. Ooh, look at what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that building, yo? Goddamn, son. But this is what people do. People in cars do this all the time. This is what people in cars do. They literally just like sit and just go, nothing you can do. Because you're not splitting shit. You know? What is this guy? His fucking reverse lights keep turning on. Look. So strange. There we go. We don't want no trouble, yo. From the fucking po-po-po. From the state trooper po-po. Here we go, here we go. We don't want no trouble, yo. From the state trooper po-po. From the state trooper po-po. I'm obviously pretty fucking excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like playful as all shit. Maybe this whole positive attitude thing is not a bad thing. We're gonna go like this and like that. That's fine. Not a big deal. Nobody's upset. I think everybody's okay. And I didn't even turn on the heat on my gloves. God damn it. So much for these vicious winters. All the fools winterizing their bikes. Princesses. Thank you. That guy was such a sweetheart. Dude, that's not how it works, you fucking dumbass. He's from Pennsylvania. He's not sure about how it works in New York. It's fine. Sometimes people from Pennsylvania, you know, have their jaw agape at the craziness that happens in this town. Anyway, guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.